Okay, welcome back to another video. We're still in Spain, me and the wifey. But we moved places. Welcome to Picos de Europa. We're currently on a hike called Ruta del Cares. We just made it up the first part, which is only uphill. But it's an easy, well-prepared trail, so it wasn't too bad. The rest of the trail is supposed to be pretty flat. No drones in this hike, because it says so on the sign, and we're gonna respect that. Maybe I can find some spot to fly on the road going back outside of the actual trails. For now we're gonna hike the trail, see if we can find some magical views. This is like one of the most famous trails here in the Picos. There's supposed to be some spectacular views. Just look at those hills. Look at those rocks. Rocks, man! Let's roll! I actually had a mad cold yesterday. I have had a little bit of fever. Might even have a little bit of fever today. So I might die on the trail. But Min is fast. She's running away from me. She's very fast. And I'm going slow. Slow but steady, you know. Okay, so it's a pretty cool trail, because the whole trail is almost along this steep edge down to the nothingness. So you get quite spectacular views. And like, look at these mountains. They look epic. The scenery is amazing. But look at this drop. And look, they drilled out the mountain for the trail. But inside there is like a water canal they used to transport stuff with. I think the trail might be going on top of the canal thing. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Look, there is the canal. It goes underneath the mountain somewhere. Okay, Nana Bridge. Getting all these shots. It's a little bit like being in Jurassic Park or something, with all this greenery and the mountains. Okay, we made it to a tunnel. It's super dark and very low for the head. I almost hit my head one time. So if you're tall, you better crouch down. Vad gör du? Oj jävlar.
Ja, men jag sa att du måste ta det med.
There's these little holes where you get some light, but other than that it's super dark. Stängde du av lampan?
Jag stängde så det var det.
Jävlar vad lågt det tar. Professionale. Professionale. Okay, we made it to the end. There is a little village, Kane, over there, but we're not gonna go over there. So we're gonna turn back now, actually. So we only made it halfway to the end. So we started over here. And then we went this yellow, and now we're here. This is the elevation map. So we went up in the beginning and then pretty flat. And then we're here. Now we go back, then we go down. No up, only down. The pains of hiking. Yeah, we're gonna find somewhere to eat a little snack and then we're gonna head back. And ladies and gentlemen, this is why you go early on hikes. The people over there. Yeah. Okay, we're on a little FPV side quest. There is a hole over there. We're on a beach in Spain. We're gonna try to fly the drone through the hole. There's some big waves. The hole is quite big, so it might be in this one I lose the drone. We'll see in a little while. 6 satellites. I want one more to activate return to home. Come on, satellite. We're just blinking at 6. Okay, I'm still waiting for the last satellite. I'm just gonna do a little test flight. Don't forget to put the GoPro, you know. Okay, let's try to go over these waves a little bit, see how it feels. Yeah, it's gonna be easy. I just want that last satellite. Oh, why don't I have satellites? Now I have satellite. I need to come in and land and switch back. I can go along this bridge a little bit. Over the water. And then there's some bathing people over here, so I want to go up a little bit more. Okay, I think I'm gonna sandwich. Okay, I got like 10 satellites, so now we're just gonna send it. I'm gonna aim for the hole and then just keep going a little bit and then maybe punch up. This might be the one where I lose my drone, but we can't but try. Here we go. Aiming for the hole. Beneath the waves. Don't get caught by the wave. And we're through the hole. Keep going. And then go up. So I get signal. Yep, I lost signal a little bit when I came through there. Now we go back. Now. Signal low. But still okay. Go through the hole. And then we cruise back. Perfect. Man, 04 signal is good. Let's see if we can do another one. We'll cruise along the ridge a little bit. don't want to go too far behind those trees. Cut over there. Maybe cut on this side. No. Yeah, the signal gets bad, but it doesn't die. That's a good thing. Come down over this ridge a little bit. And then maybe we'll go out to sea again. Look back at the hole, and then we do one more run. Through the hole. Signal bad. Signal bad. Signal good enough. Go through the hole. Oh, that was close to the water. Had to tap the dropper a little bit. But I'm through. That's it. Right. Cruising through the waves. Not go left a little bit. Maybe an orbit around the right beam because he's super happy. She's super happy to be here. The philosopher. Maybe one ridge line here and then we're not. Down there, I don't want to push down. And then we can fly by these cool rocks. Oh, look at the roof flash. Okay, now we go back. And we're done. Along the waves. Splashes. And mud. Over the rocks. And now we're done. It survived. What's over here? And then we're done. Drone survived, got epic shot, and we some FPV, happy. Yeah, baby! Yeah, that was dope. I think I got a couple of nice shots going through. One time I got pretty low, close to the waves. I even had to punch up a little bit to not get caught by the wave. And then I cruised around the edges a little bit. Yeah, pretty nice. But that's gonna be it for today. Until next time, peace out.